I need to make one little change. I was going to do it when I got to school, and then there's people waiting for me and different things happen. One outcome that isn't like when I made a list of the outcomes on that I put on Classroom. What's not there is like basically expanding a binomial of the form like a plus b to the n. So it's kind of the most basic part of the binomial theorem, but it's not listed in the outcomes because like the way I make the tests, I take them from like old exams and things like that. And this one didn't have that, so I'm going to add the question. I was just thinking about it after. So anyway, hopefully that makes sense. And I imagine you'd be prepared for it anyway, but just in case people really live and die by those outcomes, they might go, oh, I don't have to worry about this, and then forget it. So that's important. Test is Thursday. Friendly reminder that those of you who want to have a say in your mark, please let me know. A handful of you have already contacted me. That's fantastic. I'm ready with the marks I think you should get. Where did I put those papers? Well, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world if I had to redo it. I'm just realizing now I know where I was when I was working on them. Oh, well, we'll figure that out. Anyway, so by Wednesday, I guess, ish, please do that. All right. Anyways, so for the test Thursday, what is today? Tuesday, so we still got a couple days, but I think I've posted all the review and practice and things like that I can. Questions? Anything you want me to go over?
I had 6, 12, and 14, but they're all like the same question basically.
Okay.
With different numbers. So if you did like just one of them, it's probably good.
You betcha. So so number 6. So this is page 295. It says x plus 2y to the n. The sixth term is 1792 x cubed y to the 5. Now it says the sixth term doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what term it is because remember, this is the trick. You just add the exponents. So in every combination, the exponents, because there's x to the 1 and y to the 1. For those of you joining late, sorry I didn't send the invite out. I do that too often, so I apologize. We're just going over number 6, page 295. The exponents will always add up. Now the trick, because I think in like 12 or 14, yeah, 12, it's this number here. Well, here, I'll just write it. 12 is like a cubed plus 2b to the n or whatever. So now it's a cubed, so that will complicate things a little bit. But now that you know this is the way, I don't want to say how to do that. Just give you some time. If you're stuck, I'll help you. But yeah, but that makes sense, right? Do you remember how that works? Yeah. That pattern that it goes, the first one will be like, so this is to the 8. So the first one will be x to the 8, y to the 0, and then the next one will be x to the 7, y to the 1, etc. Anybody else? Questions, or did you just want to study?
12 has the thing where you have a to the 3. Yeah,
Exactly. Your hair's getting long, hey?
Yeah, I'm getting it cut on Friday.
Do you want to get a cut?
Kind of like, nah, I don't really care at this point.
Yeah, that looks cool. Any other questions, home or abroad? Gavin, oh, Jamie just unmuted herself. Pardon me?
Would you do question 9?
I can. Numero 90. Find the fifth term in the expansion of the following binomial. Okay, so x squared plus 2y, the whole thing is to the 8th. Find the fifth term. Okay, so I don't remember the formula, but lucky for you, it will be on the test. a sec. Look at that. That was our first class together, you guys. Oh, you guys can't see it at home. Don't worry, you're not missing anything. I was like, okay, so it's NC to the R minus 1 times A to the N minus R minus 1, B to the R minus 1. All right. Okay, so this here, can you guys at home see the cursor on the screen or no?
No.
Okay, so, oh, duh, I can point here. I'm like, how can I show you what I'm pointing at? So anyway, so this is the formula. You guys will get it. And so it's asking for the fifth term, therefore R equals 5. We know that N equals 8. So we're just gonna plug stuff into these bad boys. So N is 8, so it's 8C, R is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. Didn't even need a calculator for that. A to the N, which is 8 minus 5 minus 1. B to the R is 5, 5 minus 1. I can rewrite this as 8 factorial over 4 factorial, 8 minus 4 factorial, so it's 4 factorial, 4 factorial, times A to the 5 minus 1 is 4, 8 minus 4 is 4, 5 minus 1 is 4. The 4s are popular here in this question. Am I going too fast there, Jamer?
Nope, it's good.
Okay. So now this 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 factorial. We have a 4 factorial here, and the other one, that I'm saving this as 4 factorial just so I can cancel it. The other one I'm going to write out so we can cancel otherwise. Times a to the 4, b to the 4. So these 4s cancel. 2 and 4 is 8. 3 goes into 6 twice. So on the top, 7 times 5 is 35. 35 times 2 is 70. A to the 4, b to the 4.
Don't you plug in the like A and B values?
Oh my word. Yep. Yes, we do plug in the A and B values. This is A, this is B. I got ahead of myself. Good news is we can just plug them in here. Thank you very much. I was getting all excited. So that equals, sorry, normally I'd put it in right here, but you can see this, you can do it this way too. So the A is x squared, so it's x squared to the 4. B is 2y to the 4, which equals, sorry about this, this is not the bestest way to do it. Okay, 2 to the power 4 is 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16. 16 times 70, is that 1120? Anybody have the answer from? It's 1120. So it's 1120, x to the 8, y to the 4. Sorry, everybody. Thank you, Karina. At least someone's paying attention. Wasn't me. Yeah, like I said, so the A I would have put right for that A is x squared. For the B, I would have put 2y. I just got hung up on that. Is that okay, Jamie?
Yeah, that makes sense. Thanks.
Did I mess you up too much with this?
No, it still works that way though, right?
Totally, totally. That's even like some of you might go, oh, you know what? I'll do it this way and then I'll just substitute later. You totally can.
Okay,
Totally. It's a handful more steps, but it's up to you.
cool.
Anybody else questions about that one? Clarity for that? Okay. Any other questions at all?
I'm good.
Thank you, Gavin.
Nope.
Nope, from the Emma. All right, then I'll just stop recording. If one of you guys at home, if you got a question, you can just email me or iMessage me or what have you, and I'll help you out. Cool beans?
Yeah.
Cool beans. All right, later peeps.